A powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 struck on Saturday night off the coast of southern Philippines, and a tsunami warning was issued. The earthquake struck at 10:37 p.m. at a depth of 32 kilometers or 20 miles. There were no immediate reports of damage or casualties in the Philippines. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center mentioned that based on the magnitude and location, it expected tsunami waves to hit the southern Philippines and parts of Indonesia, Palau, and Malaysia. Residents along the coast of southern Surigao del Sur and Davao Oriental provinces were urged to evacuate immediately to higher ground or move further inland. The Philippines, which is one of the world's most disaster-prone countries, experiences regular earthquakes and volcanic eruptions due to its locations on the Pacific's Ring of Fire, which is an arc of seismic faults around the ocean. The archipelago is also lashed by about 20 typhoons and storms annually.